Kenya's soils are degrading at an unprecedented rate with catastrophic consequences. As a nation dependent on agriculture, over 12 million people are residing in areas with degraded lands. Unfortunately, smallholder farmers face a heavy burden with soil erosion, erratic rains, climate variability, agrobiodiversity loss, and soil nutrient depletion.
Hatukuwa tunajua maana ya kutunza mchanga. Kwa mfano, unapata mtu ako na shamba yake nzuri, mchanga ni mzuri, lakini ameachilia ng'ombe zake kwa shamba, utapata ng'ombe kwa shamba, mbuzi kwa shamba, zinakanyanga huo mchanga, alafu wakati upepo unapokuja, unabeba ule mchanga mzuri, unapeleka.
Naona hizi mitaro ziko hapa, ilikuwa ni maji ilikuwa imetengeneza. Na kila mara kinyesha, maji napita hapa, natoa mtaro kubwa. Kuna wakati mwingine ilikuwa imebeba ng'ombe mpaka huko chini. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tunapata shida mingi sana kwa sababu hata kuna wakati tunashindwa kufuka.
Land degradation in Kenya has the potential to have lasting effects on both the economy and the way of life for Kenyan people. This is driven by several factors: clearing land for crop and livestock farming, wood extraction, charcoal burning, infrastructure development, as well as practices such as poor tillage.
If sustainable land management practices are not practiced well, then we continue plowing land, then we lose the soil fertility in the land, then it's lost. And losing soil fertility is degradation.
With such high stakes, restoring land and achieving land degradation neutrality can no longer be on the back burner.
For us as UNDP, when we talk about land degradation neutrality, it's really about ensuring that we're managing the ecosystems and the land within the country for the future generations.
Our communities' livelihoods are dependent on land. Our economy is dependent on land. So restoring land should be a key factor in terms of, how we go forward.
In order to reverse these worrying trends, the government of Kenya has set voluntary targets to achieve land degradation neutrality in response to the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. UNDP, along with development partners, have been supporting Kenya for the past 10 years in promoting sustainable land management in Kenya's drylands.
The key work that we have been doing is really working with communities across various counties to support programs that can strengthen livelihoods and also manage land usage.
And the ministry has actually developed quite a number of policies and strategies, including action plans.
We've done lots of tree planting activities to restore those degraded sites because we have a lot of degradation of catchment areas.
Kwa upande wa environment, wametuletea miti na tukapanda. Sasa kuna kila boma iko na miti. Sasa tunaona tumebarikiwa sana na wametusaidia sana. Kwa sababu wakati ilikuwa imenyesha na hii mtaro imetengenezwa, maji yalikuwa yanakimbia tena. Kwa hivyo ile shida ambayo ilikuwa inatukumba ya maji kukata mashamba imeisha kabisa.
Tulianza mafunzo, tukaanza kufunzwa habari ya ukulima, maharagwe, tukafanya demonstration, tukapanda maharagwe, tukaona ile maharagwe ilikuwa inafanya vizuri, tulivuna vizuri na ikatuelimisha kabisa. Hiyo maharagwe ndio tunapanda saa hii mpaka manyumbani kwa sababu inawezana na kiangazi na ukame wa hapa.
And some of the benefits that we have acquired from the trees is that if you look at our school right now, of course, at least it looks a bit beautiful because of the trees. Again, damages of the classes through wind are no longer there.
The efforts in Kenya are in line with the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly Goal 15.3, which focuses on combating desertification, restoring degraded lands and soil. Yet, even as Kenya strives to address land degradation, there have been gaps in acknowledging the links between land degradation, biodiversity loss, and climate change. Hence, these issues are often addressed in silos at policy, research, and project levels.
We have all learned with the COVID crisis that togetherness and really ensuring that we have a solid partnership in dealing with the development challenges of today is the only way that we can succeed. So for me, when we commemorate this day, it is important that we continue to look at how together we can tackle issues that can have a meaningful impact on sustainable land management.
Together with a concerted effort from partners, development partners, government agencies and communities, we'll be able to work together and ensure that we wake up together and enhance our environment.